Crypto is in the longest bear market ever, and things are changing fast in the industry. Lots of layoffs happening and lawsuits. So in this video, I'm going to go over that. First, I have some crypto companies that have gone completely out of business. We have Purse, Nuri, Bitfront, never heard of these. Obviously, BlockFi. If you haven't seen my videos, please check them out. Digital Surge, Wire have all gone out of business completely. Some other companies have laid off 80% of staff, like Hodlnaut, never heard of that one. Ignite let go of 50% of staff, along with Acuv, I'm not saying that right, Buenbit, WizardX, and SwiftX have let go of about 50% of staff. Other companies like Coinbase have had multiple layoffs. In November of last year, they let go of 60 people. That's not a ton, but in June of last year, they let go of 18% of staff. That's 1,100 people. And again, in January, on January 10th of this year, not that long ago, they let go of 20% of staff, which was about 950 people. Other notable names include BitMEX, let go of 25% of staff. By the way, they paid for expensive recruiters. Celsius let go of 25% of staff, and Blockchain let go of 25% of staff. Now, some interesting news on Celsius I thought I would bring to your attention. A judge recently ruled that $4.2 billion of crypto deposited by customers to Celsius belongs to the estate, not the users. The court concluded, based on Celsius' unambiguous terms of use and subject to any reserve defenses, that when cryptocurrency assets, including stable coins like Bitcoin, were deposited into earn accounts, the cryptocurrency assets became Celsius's property. The cryptocurrency assets remaining in the earn accounts on the petition date become property of the debitor's bankruptcy estates, the estate. So essentially, anyone who deposited their crypto into Celsius, which is a lending platform that enables users to receive interest on deposited cryptocurrencies, well, they lost all of their money, and all of that money is going to the debitor. So essentially, they stole the money. But let's talk a bit about that bear market I had mentioned. With another black swan in crypto and another leg down, this time due to the FTX drama, we are now officially in the second longest bear market ever, soon to be the longest bear market ever, and an achievement I don't know if we can really be proud of, especially as global sentiment towards cryptocurrency is changing. It's kind of a big deal. But first, how do we define a bear market? A bear market is essentially a long period where price remains below the all-time high. There is no fixed negative percentage to define this. With stocks, it's 20%. That's considered a bear market when stocks have dropped 20% in price. But crypto does not have a definition for a bear market. Crypto moves like crazy day to day. You know how it is. And I have a graph that I'll put on the screen that shows the last bear market. Now, bear markets can be a good sign, and I see a lot of people online saying, a bear market, well, that's my time to buy. I'm not sure if it is the time to buy. Let me know your thoughts below. There are more cases coming up involving crypto. The European Central Bank says Bitcoin is on the road to irrelevance. Ouch, that hurts. They say specifically, since Bitcoin appears to neither be suitable as a payment system nor as a form of investment, it should be treated as neither in regulatory terms and thus not be legitimized. Now, is crypto an investment? Question mark. A lot of people think crypto is an investment, especially since 2020 and 2021, the price of crypto went crazy along with stocks. And I personally think there is confusion. Crypto is not supposed to be an investment. It is supposed to be a form of money and an alternative to the central banking system. But here, the European Central Bank seems to think it is irrelevant, and crypto is kind of getting a bad rap as being a scam. Going back to Celsius, you know how people deposit their money into Celsius and Celsius said it's theirs. Well, apparently when the opposite happens, the story is not the same. A couple has been accused of stealing $10.5 million from crypto.com. They had deposited, I believe it was $100 to crypto.com in May 2021. And there was an error in the input field that put $10.5 million in the bank. I mean, what would you do if you suddenly had $10 million? They spent it all. They bought million-dollar houses. They paid off their friends' million-dollar mortgages. They split $1 million in between their 3 children, even buying a 70-grand car for one of those kids. But they got caught when they were boarding a plane with a suitcase full of cash. And now Crypto.com is accusing them of stealing the money. I don't really think it's theft. It was an accident by crypto, so there's some responsibility there that Crypto.com is not taking up. But nevertheless, they're going to jail. Representatives from Crypto.com say the whole issue is in relation to the dishonesty element, whether they knew the money was stolen or not. The couple is facing 20 years if found guilty for stealing funds from Crypto.com. So layoffs are happening in crypto. The European Central Bank is delegitimizing crypto, and there's lots of crypto lawsuits that are showing the people that have the crypto as buyers or investors of crypto don't really have any power. This is my cat. Say hello. She's going crazy. And a lot of people have been pulling their money out of crypto because of this extended bear market. Now, us crypto fans, I am a crypto fan, although I don't have a ton of money in crypto. Us crypto fans would say this is now the time to buy crypto. It's going to explode in price, but I would say there is a big question mark there. Is it going to explode in price? The central banks are trying to delegitimize the crypto culture, which makes sense. It's their competition, but also we're being proven that those investors, the people buying the crypto, have absolutely no legal protection behind the money. Everyone who invested in FTX, where is their money? Even BlockFi. I had a BlockFi. I say had because I can't access the account anymore, and I'm waiting for the lawsuit to go through to see if I'm going to get my money back. Not sure if I'm going to. So I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of all these crypto layoffs? Since most of my viewers are in America, I'll go over the American-specific companies in crypto that have laid off in the past few days. Like I mentioned, Coinbase just recently laid off 20% of staff. Consensus laid off 100 people, 11% of staff. Genesis laid off 30% of staff. Wire went out of business. Autograph and TextBit laid off staff. We don't know how much. Bakkt, B-A-K-K-T, laid off 15% of staff. Kraken laid off 1,100 people, 30% of staff. Bitfront went out of business. BlockFi went out of business. Candy Digital, 33% of staff, which is 33 people. Metplex, Mythical Games, Nidig, Fungible, Genesis, Core Scientific, Gemini. These are some of the crypto companies that have laid off even as far back as July, along with OpenSea and Unstoppable Domains. So if you are a developer who is a crypto developer, things are going to be tough going ahead. You may have to get a non-crypto job. And if you do have experience in crypto and you're looking to get out, I would say play down your crypto experience and play up more generic skills that you have in the industry, specifically the languages and frameworks that you've been using, the results that you've gotten from applications that you have developed. Really emphasize your work over the industry if you're looking to get a new job. If you are the few people who have survived these layoffs, please be diligent in your job and keep trying your best to outperform the expectations for your role, and maybe keep your eye out on other job opportunities in case you are laid off. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.